A is for apple. Apple mean shape. B is for ball. Ball mean gain. C is for cat. Cat mean billy. D is for dog. Dog mean kutta. E is for elephant. Hathi. F is for frog. Frog mean medak. G is for goat. Goat mean bakri. H is for horse. Horse mean ghoda. I is for igloo. Igloo mean gar. J is for jug. Jug mean jug. K is for king. King mean basha. L is for lion. Lion mean sher. M is for monkey. Monkey mean bandar. N is for nest. Nest mean ghonsla. O is for orange. Orange mean Malta. P is for parrot. Parrot mean tota. Q is for quail. Quail mean bater. R is for rabbit. Rabbit mean khargosh. S is for sun. Sun mean suraj. T is for turtle. Turtle mean kachwa. U is for umbrella. Umbrella mean chhatri. V is for van. Van mean gaadi. W is for watch. Watch mean ghadi. X is for xylophone. Xylophone mean लकड़ी का बाजा. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo mean चक फुर्ती. Z is for zebra. Zebra mean zebra. Dears, thanks for joining us. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.